Discover incredible Black Friday 2024 deals on must-have appliances. From the powerful Ninja blender and food processor to the stylish KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer, we've got you covered. Upgrade your mornings with the Ninja DualBrew Coffee Maker or savor barista-quality coffee with the Nespresso Vertuo Next. Plus, explore the versatile Ninja toaster oven, efficient PurSteam Steam Mop, and the hands-free convenience of the Roborock Q7 Max Plus robot vacuum. Click now to save big and transform your kitchen and home. Get ready for Black Friday 2024 with jaw-dropping deals on top-rated kitchen and home appliances. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or looking to simplify daily chores, these deals have something for everyone. Ninja blender and food processor, perfect for smoothies, salsa, dough, frozen drinks, and more with its versatile mega kitchen system. Includes a pitcher, smoothie cup, and 8-cup bowl. Grab it here. KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. Elevate your baking game with this iconic 5-quart tilt head mixer, complete with a pouring shield, in the stunning passion red. Shop now. Ninja DualBrew Coffee Maker. Brew K-cup pods of a full 12-cup carafes with a specialty coffee system for ultimate versatility. Get it today. Ninja Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. A 13-in-1 kitchen hero for quick meals, air frying, dehydrating, reheating, and more. Stainless steel design with flip-away storage. Check it out. Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Maker. Enjoy rich coffee and espresso with Breville's sleek and compact navy model. View the deal. Pure Steam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Tackle tile, hardwood floors, and more with this multi-purpose steamer featuring a detachable handheld cleaner. Shop now. Roborock Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Experience hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks with powerful suction, mopping features, and app control. Don't miss it. These limited-time deals won't last long. Click the links and save big this Black Friday. This Black Friday 2024, upgrade your kitchen and home with unbeatable deals on top quality appliances designed to simplify your life and enhance your lifestyle. Don't miss the chance to grab these customer favorites. Ninja blender, food processor, and mega kitchen system, BL770Ms, tackle everything from smoothies to dough with this powerhouse. Includes a pitcher, smoothie cup, and 8-cup bowl, perfect for salsa, shakes, slushes, and frozen drinks. Ideal for home chefs and health enthusiasts. Shop it here. KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart tilt head stand mixer, KSM 150PS, the iconic mixer every baker dreams of. With a stylish passion red design and pouring shield, this mixer is perfect for whipping up cakes, cookies, and dough. Order now. Ninja DualBrew Pro Coffee Maker, CFP 301. Experience the convenience of a coffee machine that handles both K-cup pods and a full carafe. Perfect for mornings when you need 1 cup or a full pot. Get yours. Ninja Toaster Oven and Air Fryer Combo, SP351. Cook smarter with this 13-in-1 kitchen appliance. It can air fry, bake, dehydrate, reheat, and more, all with less oil for healthier meals. Flip it away for easy storage. Check it out. Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Maker by Breville. Enjoy barista-quality coffee and espresso at home with this compact and elegant navy coffee maker. Great for coffee lovers. Buy it now. Pure Steam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. A cleaning powerhouse for tile, hardwood, and other surfaces. Comes with a detachable handheld steam cleaner to tackle tough messes with ease. See the deal. Roborock Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Simplify your cleaning routine with this smart robotic vacuum that offers 4,200 pascal suction, app-controlled mopping, and up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning. Get it today. These premium appliances are not only high-performing but also come at incredible discounts for a limited time. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, starting your holiday shopping, or treating yourself, these deals are too good to pass up. Shop now before they're gone. This Black Friday 2024, revolutionize your kitchen and home with incredible discounts on premium appliances that blend functionality, style, and convenience. These highly rated products are designed to save you time, improve your culinary experiences, and simplify daily chores. Check out these amazing deals. 1. Ninja Blender, Food Processor and Mega Kitchen System, BL770 amps. Whether you're blending smoothies, mixing dough, or preparing salsa, this all-in-one kitchen system is your go-to solution. It comes with a powerful motor for efficient blending, a 72-ounce pitcher for large batches of frozen drinks and smoothies, an 8-cup food processor bowl for chopping and kneading dough, a 16-ounce single-serve cup with a lid for smoothies on the go. Grab yours here. 2. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer, KSM 150PS, a baker's dream tool. This stand mixer is both beautiful and powerful. Highlights include a 5-quart stainless steel bowl with a pouring shield for easy mixing and minimal mess. Tilt head designed for effortless access to your mixture. Passion red finish, perfect for adding style to your kitchen. Get it here. 3. Ninja DualBrew Pro Coffee Maker, CFP301. Enjoy versatility with this coffee machine that brews K-cups or traditional coffee grounds. Key features: single-serve and 12-cup carafe brewing, specialty brew settings for rich, flavorful coffee, built-in frother for cafe-quality drinks. Shop now. 4. Ninja Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, SP351. Simplify your cooking with this 13-in-1 appliance that saves time and space. Features include air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, and more, all in one device. Flip-away design for easy storage. Uses up to 75% less oil for healthier cooking. Check it out. 5. Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Maker by Breville. Get barista-quality coffee and espresso at home with this sleek machine. Features include compact design and an elegant navy finish, one-touch brewing for consistent quality, compatible with Vertuo coffee pods for a variety of flavors. View the deal. 6. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Keep your floors spotless with this versatile steam cleaner. Benefits include a detachable handheld steamer for hard-to-reach areas, safe for use on tile, hardwood, laminate, and more. Lightweight design for easy maneuverability. Shop it now. 7. Roborock Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Say goodbye to manual cleaning with this smart vacuum cleaner. Key highlights: 4,200 pascal suction power for deep cleaning, app-controlled mopping and vacuuming, hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks with its auto-empty dock. Don't miss this deal. Why wait? These exclusive Black Friday deals are only available for a limited time. Whether you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, enhance your home cleaning routine, or find the perfect gift for a loved one, these high-quality appliances are here to make your life easier, and at prices you won't believe. Shop now and save big before these deals are gone.